What my agents do on a weekly basis is they go to what's called a broker open. So nationally, that's a open house just for realtors for us to preview. Sometimes they're asking for pricing. Sometimes it's just to meet other agents because there's so many deals that we get because the other side knows we are competent, we can do our
Right.
job, we have great buyers, we have great sellers, we have a great team. And so they'd much rather work with us than work with this other agent that submitted an offer, right? And
Mhm.
so my agents they go to a broker open every week and they're encouraged to go to the broker open in a market that they want to be in. Not that they're in, that they want to be in. If you want to be in the luxury market, I need you to go to a luxury broker open, meet those agents, see that inventory. So that's what we do a week. We go to one of those open
I
houses.
imagine new construction. You want to go to the new construction neighborhood, see what's
Sure,
going on, meet the site
that's easy.
agents. Great,
Yeah.
does yeah.
That's easy. Like
Nice.
just go see homes because what happens is you're sitting at the table and you have this opportunity and someone's like, "Oh, I really want to move to this school district and but I want to be in this price point." And if you can immediately speak to in that price point it's going to be a fixer upper, are you okay with that? They're like, "Oh, she knows her stuff." To
Right.
know those things off the cuff shows that person, "Oh, this person is really qualified.
Credibility right away.
I should give them at least a shot." So we go see a ton of homes. We go to broker opens, open houses. Again, do the open houses in the areas you want to be in. Don't like, I know a lot of agents just want to pick them up where they can and they think all open houses are the same. They're not. So pick them in the areas you want because that's where you're going to find the buyers that you want. You're going to find, you're going to know your data that you can bring, and you want those buyers that are looking in that neighborhood that you're doing your open house in. So it's all of that strategy. It's prospecting in a thoughtful way, Tracy,
Hmm.
right? And that is so making these intentional prospecting moments instead of just saying like, I checked the box.